Hi, I'm Robin with treesmom.com, and we're making a video for Expert Village today. We're making ID necklaces, we're making bracelets, photo holders, and just regular necklaces. Some of the things that you're going to need are tiger tail or bead along one. This is You're going to need the beads that you're wanting to put on. Crimp beads. You're going to need pliers, scissors, and glue. This is E6000 glue. You're going to need a clasp, a lobster claw clasp, and split rings is what we'll be using today, and some clips. And we'll talk about the clips and where you can get them in another segment, but you're going to need some clips to hold your ID badge or the photos, and you're also going to need wire. And with all of these things, we'll be able to make some really cool jewelry.